everyone, welcome back to my final video of March, and I'm going to use some of the April embellishment kit. So what I'm using out of the April embellishment kit is this lovely pink ribbon, can you call it ribbon? I'm not sure, but it's absolutely lovely and it's really thick as well, which I really like. So I'm going to use a bit of that. Then I've got 3 of these lovely flowers, which I really like, that I'm going to dot around my layout, and this bow. And I'm not quite sure what material it's made out of, but it feels really nice. But they're really lovely. And there's 2 or 3 of these in different colours, and I think this is the second one I'm going to have used. So I really like it. And then I've just got some other bits and pieces. So I've got a bit of, my title is one of James's printed wooden bits. Is that right? Yeah, I think that's right. And then I've got a couple of hearts and a couple of butterflies and what have we, from the Bloom and Grow kit, which is what I'm using. This is the Cocoa Vanilla Studio Bloom and Grow kit. So I've done the layout so far. This is Emily and her best friend Freya when we were in Athens. Well, this is actually Delphi. We'd taken a day trip from Athens to Delphi, and it was beautiful. It was baking hot there. It was about 34 degrees, which is just divine. So I'm going to finish the layout off while you're with me so you can see what I'm going to do. So I'm going to start by sticking this down. I'm just going to use glue for all of this because it's just easier. So I'm just going to use some glue, and that is going down the bottom there. So just there. I'll move those out of the way. Excuse me for still sniffing. I'm still suffering with my cold, believe it or not. So, but at least I can talk now, which is good. So I'm going to put the ribbon or the flower bit along the bottom there. So let me turn that back the right way. Now I've done that, I'm just going to pop that on there and just give that a push down. There you go. And what's nice is I've used quite a bit of this, but I've still got quite a bit left. So the amount of the ribbon and what have we that are in the kits is very generous. So that's going to go there. Now I'm going to stick this bow on. I'm just going to stick the bow on right in the middle. And I'm just going to pop it on the edge of this photo because I thought that looked rather cute just there. You just need to hold it for a minute. She says, come on, you need to stick. Just let's maybe put a little bit more on, a little bit wider, and then just pop that there. Come on, you know you want to stick. Okay. So don't you just love it when you think things are going to stick and they don't, right? I'm hoping that's stuck. So I'm going to put the title on. And I'm just going to put my glue on. So I love these wooden titles. I've got quite a few of them and they're lovely. And then I keep forgetting to use them, which I think is a staple saying of any crafter anywhere worldwide. I've got them and I forget to use them. Okay, so I'm going to put the little flowers on now. So again, I know that they stick with this glue, unlike the bow, which I'm still not sure if it's stuck, but we'll have a look in a minute. So, and I'm just going to dot these around. I really like these little applique flowers. They're really lovely. You just got to make sure you get the right side, because one is very obviously a wrong side and one is very obviously a right side. And I'd hate for you to stick them down and then realise that you've got them on the on the wrong side. I'm just going to pop that one down there. That's it. And then the white one, I'm going to put over here. Put that across there. Just there you go. That looks good. Right, now I'm going to stick these little hearts down. And again, I'm just going to use my glue because they stick down really well with this glue. And I'm going to pop that one there. And just to balance it up, I think I'm going to put this one at the top here, just so that it's sort of diagonally across and just makes it a bit more balanced. So push that down, push it down, push it down, stick, please. And then I think I'm not going to pop that on because that was going to go up there, but I've now, oh no, it can go up there still. It can go up there, so let's put a little bit of glue on that. I'm just going to slide that and pop that there. Sure, that's not going to stick. It's going to prove me wrong, this blooming bow now, isn't it? It's not going to stick. Might have to think about where I'm putting it then. That's fine. Let's just stick it there. See if if it will stick better on the flowers than it will on the photo. Then last but not least, I'm going to put my butterflies on. And all I've done with this, I never stick like things like butterflies flat. I always bend them, bend the wings, put little foam dots on them, put a bit of glue down the body, and then push the body down first so that the glue attaches, and then I push the wings out so that the foam pads attach. It just gives the page a bit of dimension, and it makes your butterflies look like they're actually flying. And they're really, just makes them look a bit more real. And then I'm going to put that one there, I think. So again, push the body down first, and then the wings with the foam pads. And there you go, my finished layout, apart from the journaling, using Cocoa Vanilla Studio Bloom and Grow kit or collection, along with the April embellishment kit. I said March, it's not March, it's April. So there you go. If you've not subscribed to the embellishment kits and you like the look of this layout, then watch out for the emails to sign up. Until next time.